In this video, you'll learn how to use an appropriate simulation to help decide if results are valid. But first, let's discuss simulations. A simulation is used to predict the likelihood of a certain outcome. You can also use a simulation to help determine whether the results of a study are valid. A simulation is used to recreate the conditions of an experiment in order to perform multiple trials of the experiment. To create a simulation, you need a means to create the same context for the probability outcomes as the study. Let's consider a scenario. A study was conducted to look at handedness, meaning whether a person is right-handed or left-handed. The study shows that the probability of being born right-handed is 90%. In this study, there are two possible outcomes, right-handed or left-handed. To create the same context in a simulation, each trial of the simulation must also have two possible outcomes. One simulation that could be used to test whether the results of the study are valid would be to flip a coin 50 times and then see how many times heads comes up. Let's take a look at an example. A study shows that the probability of a child having blue eyes is 25%. The possibilities for eye color are blue, green, gray, hazel, brown, and black. What simulation could be used to test whether the results are valid, and why? Remember, to create a simulation, you need a means to create the same context for the probability outcomes of the study. In this study, there are 6 possible outcomes. Therefore, the simulation needs to have 6 possible outcomes as well. Consider rolling a number cube. In every rolling of a number cube, there are also 6 possible outcomes. In one of these 6 possible outcomes, a 1 is rolled. Therefore, there is a probability of 1/6 for each possible outcome in the simulation. This simulation closely follows the study, as in the study there are 6 possible outcomes. So, an appropriate simulation to help decide if results are valid is rolling a number cube 50 times and seeing how many times 1 comes up. Now you know more about using an appropriate simulation to help decide if results are valid. Thanks for watching.